calling all realtors, title companies, real estate brokers. I'm attorney Vernita Williams. Welcome to this 7-part series on how to sell the property of a deceased owner without wasting your time and ending up with nothing. We all know those experiences. You worked very hard on a deal only to find out that the owner is deceased and the person you're working with can't even sell the property. So I've put together a 7-part series to explain to you the easiest and best way to get this property sold. Now, in this introduction, I'm just going to tell you the benefits of listening to this series. The first benefit is I will show you how to avoid probate court delays. You know, the probate court has all sorts of things they want you to do in order to authorize the sale of this deceased owner's property. So I can tell you how to avoid delays in probate court. Also, I will share with you how to ask the right questions to determine if you should even be involved in this deal. Also, let's talk about delaying foreclosures. It's not uncommon for a deceased person's property to be in foreclosure, and you need to know how to deal with that. Another thing is I will speak briefly on what you can do to stop a tax deed sale. You know, if you have a tax deed sale staring you down the throat, it's very difficult to put together a good deal. So there's a way through probate court that you can stop a tax deed sale of a deceased owner. And then the last thing, we can't forget this part. What about those heirs who now own the property who just can't agree on anything? They can't agree to sell the property, they can't agree to the selling price. So let's talk about how to manage them. So those are the benefits that you will gain from listening to this 7-part mini-series. In part 2, I will talk about 2 ways to sell the property. Part 3, I will talk about the specific steps to sell the property through probate court. Part 4, yes, I will talk about managing those disagreeable heirs. In part 5, let's talk about your realtor's fee, whether you can get a little bit more than the conventional fee. And let's talk about those attorney's fees. In part 6, I will talk about timelines. Just how long does it take to get this done? I know you're interested in that. And then in the 7th part, I will summarize the key points of all of the points made in this 7-point series. So stay tuned and be on the lookout for the other parts of this 7-part series. This is a VCW Law presentation. If you'd like more information, please go to my website, vcwlaw.com. Also, you can call me at 786-831-9483. That is 786-831-9483.